So if you're involved in a car accident, you might have a lot of questions about what happens to the car that you were driving that got wrecked. So there's a couple different things. First, if the cost to repair your car is more than 70% of its value, then it will be deemed a total loss, and the insurance company should replace that vehicle or pay you the full value for that vehicle. So that's number one. So the next question is, who's going to actually pay for the property damage? If you have your own insurance, typically what is going to happen is your insurance company is going to pay to either repair or replace the vehicle, and then they're going to go after the person who was at fault and get the money back from their insurance company or sue that driver. So let's talk about rental. What happens is while your car is being repaired or needs to be replaced, you're going to need a rental vehicle. This is often a problem because most people don't have rental insurance on their policy. But if you do have rental coverage, then your insurance company is going to pay for you to rent a vehicle for that time period while your car is in the shop or until you can replace it. But coverage is pretty limited. Usually what we see is that your policy will cover you for about a 20 or 30 day period or have a maximum amount. What ends up happening then is if it takes longer to get parts in or repair vehicles, especially now after COVID, that process can take a long time and you may end up having to pay out of pocket. So what we try to do is then get the other driver's insurance to pay for that rental, and if they won't do it, we'll add that to your claim and we'll try to make up for that at the end of the case. So we talked a little bit about rental. Other things that come up are towing and storage charges. And again, the same situation applies. If you have insurance on your own vehicle, typically your insurance company is going to pay those rental and storage fees. And then at the end of the case, either your insurance is going to go after the other driver or their insurance company, or we'll add that in if you have out-of-pocket costs, and we'll try to recoup that as part of your claim. So the final question is, do we charge you to recover your property damage? And the answer is no. This is something that we do just as a courtesy to our clients to try to get them to get back into their car or to get a new car and recover their deductible, their towing, their storage, and rental from the other driver.